Hi, welcome to the Mining Watchdog channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for all Bitcoin investors: keeping your Bitcoin safe from hacks and accidental losses. Just like any other currency or asset, safeguarding your Bitcoin requires some precautions. But don't worry, we've got you covered with all the tips and tricks you need to secure your investments. Let's start with understanding the basics of Bitcoin security, and then move on to practical steps you can take. Preventing accidents. Accidental Bitcoin transfers are more common than you might think. For example, a recent case involved a user who accidentally paid a whopping $3.1 million in a transaction fee. While this is an extreme case, smaller accidental transfers happen all the time. To avoid such mistakes, always use a two-step authentication process. This typically involves confirming transactions on two different devices, like your computer and your mobile phone. This simple step can add a significant layer of security to your transactions. Setting up cold storage. One of the most secure ways to store your Bitcoin is through cold storage. Cold storage means keeping your Bitcoin on a device that's not connected to the internet, making it nearly impossible to hack. Here's how you can set up a cold storage wallet. Select and buy a portable USB device, preferably with Bluetooth features for easy connectivity. Connect your USB to a computer and download the necessary drivers and software. Save your recovery seed phrase. Don't skip this step. Your recovery seed phrase is crucial if you forget your password or PIN. Each cryptocurrency you store will need its own wallet address. Ensure you send your Bitcoin to the correct address to avoid losing your assets. With these steps, your Bitcoin will be safely stored offline. Using hot wallets. Hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, are less secure than cold wallets, but are convenient for smaller amounts of Bitcoin. How to set up a hot wallet. Choose and register for an online wallet system. This process is similar to setting up any online account and only takes about 10 minutes. Most hot wallets require identity verification through a photo ID. Some wallets are ready to use immediately, while others may need some activation time. Once activated, you can transfer Bitcoin to your hot wallet using your email address. Hot wallets are ideal for quick access and smaller transactions. Storing Bitcoin in an exchange. Many investors store their Bitcoin in the exchange where they purchased it. While exchanges offer robust security, it's crucial to choose one that best meets your needs. Compare exchanges. Look for features like fees and asset limits when choosing an exchange. Open an exchange account. This requires an email address and a payment method, along with a government-issued photo ID. Deposit crypto. Use the exchange's wallet address to deposit your Bitcoin. Storing Bitcoin in an exchange is a convenient option for many investors. Exercising common sense. Even with the best security measures, it's essential to stay vigilant against online scams. Be skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true, and never share your Bitcoin keys with anyone. Using common sense and staying alert can protect you from fraud. Securing your Bitcoin is about choosing the right storage method for your needs. Whether it's an exchange, a hot wallet, or a cold storage device, each option has its own benefits. Remember, for large amounts of Bitcoin, a cold wallet is the safest choice. For smaller amounts, hot wallets and exchanges offer convenience. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss our future videos.